Hello everybody, and welcome to How to Do channel. This is David. Today we are going to learn how to add plugins to imageJ to let it to export not only AVI and can export. Let me show you. It can export movie and then support more MP4 and move. The imageJ software is a basic Java software, and I usually use it to merge some PNG or JPG image sequence, but it default only can import export AVI AVI coding movie. If you want to export image sequence as MPEG4, you must to download another plugins to do it. So follow me how to do let imageJ to export MP4. So first, you must to download the imageJ, the main software here, and you click download. You go to download page and several version for your different system, Mac OS or Linux or Windows. For example, my system with Windows 10, so I download the imageJ from this link, and after that you need to install it, and when you after installation you need to download another imageJ plugins here, and this link I will put it below on this video. Follow me this, and this is important. You must download the image plugins from this link, and you need to click code and download zip. When you downloaded the zip, you need MPEG8, and you need to unpack these documents in this zip archive. You only need this, yes, current, and here all of these in current documents to extract them to your imageJ main software dictionary plugins, and here plugin, you must need to export this file to here. So after that, and close this, and you need to reopen this imageJ main software, and when you import some sequence like me this, I just need 10 count, okay, and for example I import 10 pieces over my image sequence, and I need file, CVS, and here there is a movie option can be used, and click it, and here the pop-up window the save movie was here. So if you see this, I recommendation you leave this for default 7, and here I would like to import an MP4 container format, and using codec MPEG4, and video quality the default setting was normal, and if you want to high quality you can select high or excellent, what do you want. And others I recommendation you was leaving it default, and click OK, and then he asks you to where you want to place this export MP4 file. So I just want to play it on my desktop and rename it to and save it. So here it is. So if you was export MP4 file was successfully, that means your plugins was installation right. So if this video was some helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.